नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं योगेश कुमार, आपका स्टार्टअप कंसल्टेंट आपका स्वागत करता हूं अपनी एक नई वीडियो में। आज हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं एलएलपी और प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के बीच के डिफरेंसेस के बारे में। सो द फर्स्ट बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन द लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप एंड द प्राइवेट लिमिटेड इज applicable law. The private limited company is registered under the provisions of the Companies Act 2013. However, the LLP is registered under the provisions of the LLP Act 2008. Our second basic difference between the LLP and private limited is minimum share capital. Private limited company can be incorporated with a minimum share capital of rupees 10. In the same way, the LLP can be incorporated with a capital contribution of rupees 100 or more. So now let's move on to the third basic difference between LLP and private limited company. The basic difference between the LLP and private limited company is members required to form a entity. For a private limited company, you are supposed to have a minimum 1 member in case of a OPC and 2 members in case of a private limited company, and the private limited company can have a maximum of 200 members. Under LLP Act, the LLP can be formed with a minimum of 2 partners. However, there is no maximum upper limit for having a partners in an LLP. Our next point is directors or designated partners required. A private limited company should have minimum 2 directors and it can go up to a maximum of 15 directors. In case of LLP, there is no such limit applicable on designated partner, but it should have minimum 2 designated partners. The next point is related to the board meeting. A private limited company should have at least 4 board meetings in a financial year, and the gap between 2 board meetings cannot exceed more than 120 days. You are not supposed to have a board meeting since it is not required under the Act. Our next point is tax structure comparison between both the entities. The tax structure for a private limited company is highly complex. However, it is very less complex for a LLP. Our next point is abiding. Generally, the private limited companies are governed by the Article of Associations. In case of LLP, it is generally governed by the LLP agreement provisions. In case of any query on the subject matter, you may call or email us at the below mentioned address.